morning. I was a little improvisatory this week. I had the chance to play Holst's Planets with Robert's Orchestra, and I took 3 planets and switched them around. So in the original, Neptune is literally lost in space. It literally ends just going off. And so in my reinterpretation, I want you to think about this as us as lost, right? We're lost without Jesus. So we're starting lost. Then I switched to Neptune, which selfishly is a horn solo, but it's a really nice, calm movement, starting to get to peace, and then there's joy in Jupiter. And there is a hymn based on the Jupiter tune. I'm just going to read 4 lines. O God, beyond all praising, we worship you today, and sing the love amazing that songs cannot repay. For we can only wonder at every gift you send, at blessings without number and mercies without end. We lift our hearts before you and wait upon your word. We honor and adore you, our great and mighty Lord. So here's Venus, Neptune, and Jupiter.